Hey friends, Tandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Are you having a hard time to remove stubborn hard watering in your toilet bowl? Then keep on watching, because in this video I will show you a cleaning hack that will blow your mind. Here's what you need to get started. Drywall screen. You can get this at any hardware store or Walmart. I got mine at the Home Depot. I'll put the link below. Lime away toilet bowl cleaner. Gloves. This is very important. Toilet brush. This is a pro tip. Pour water into the toilet bowl using a bucket so as to lower the water. That way you can effectively work on the ring without any distractions. You can also use a plunger or a toilet brush to lower the water. Generously apply the toilet bowl cleaner around the affected area and let it sit for 10 minutes or more in order to soften the hard watering, and that way you are not going to use a lot of elbow. Be sure to ventilate the area and to wear a mask because this stuff has a very strong smell. Cut your drywall screen into a small piece just like so and begin to scrub the ring in circular motion till you're done. Now that the big job is done, use your toilet brush to clean the inside of the toilet and flush out all the dirt. OMG, look at the transformation. It's amazing. My job is done here. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and remember to subscribe for more valuable content and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.